Welcome to HYCM Insight with myself, Giles Cochran, the Chief Currency Analyst at HYCM. The market mood for the session ahead is as follows. The outlook for copper is strong fundamentally at the moment, and copper has been underpinned overnight, rising above the $3 per pound level, as the London Metal Exchange rose to their highest level in more than 2 years. Going forward, demand for copper is expected to rise. All the green technology through alternative energy sources heavily rely on copper wiring as a conductor. The demand for copper in the future looks set to grow. Also, a strong boom in property investment in China is further helping near-term copper prices higher. Therefore, for today's session, expect pullbacks to the trend line marked on the chart below to find buyers. Trade risks. If we see strong risk-off sentiment enter the market and heavy equity selling, that will result in global concerns around growth weighing on copper prices and will invalidate this outlook.